Hey everybody, I'm Adam, aka the Roadside Gourmet, and I am super excited to be shooting this video in the new Roadside Gourmet Rescue. Now, a little bit of history. I won't bore you with all the details of this rig, but if you've been following our channel, you'll know that we bought a 1996 International rescue vehicle. It's essentially an ambulance, but it was a marine rescue unit, and we are transforming it. So we're going to make this into the Roadside Gourmet Rescue. Gonna answer a bunch of questions. Number one, it is not a food truck. That we are making this into basically a tiny home on wheels. When we bought the rig, it had been used as a tool truck / office for a landscaping company, and so they had it all full of tool chests and sort of makeshift shelving, and they had done a really good job on it. Now the guys that sold it to us really loved this rig, so when we came to them and said, we want to buy it, and it is going to be loved, it is going to be used as a tiny home, basically as an RV, they were super excited to sell it to us. So the rig itself has all kinds of fun amenities to it. Right now, Jeanette and I have gutted all of the add-ons that they had put in with the shelving and what have you, and we've added a fresh coat of paint. This will be the kitchen countertop. I need to install a sink and a water source. Over on my left will be our bed, and I'm just working on kind of the details of how that's going to work. One of the reasons that I was drawn to a decommissioned ambulance is just because, well, first, the cool factor. It is just a super cool machine, but it also just has a ton of storage, and so the vision that we have with this machine is that it will be a tiny home. It will be something that we live in from time to time. It will also be sort of the Roadside Gourmet mobile office, but really the nuts and bolts of it is going to be our instructional kitchen. So I've designed an entire outdoor kitchen that will pack away into some of the outside cubbies and storage spaces that are in the rescue unit already, and so when we go to fairs or we go to farmers markets or we set up our own instructional kitchen spaces, we'll bring the rig along and the entire kitchen can be built out from the rig. There is still a ton of work to go on this renovation, but thank you so much for following along. If you like what we're doing, please subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell so you know when we post a new video, and share it with everyone you've ever met.